Ladies and what? And man, bad son, and yeah, my mom say, come on. Yeah, it has us, pass. You what? Because you use some of the answer. We know that. Now, so when you guys are here, we need more. That is a fact. It is a member to me a lot. No more jail. Why that there are so many divorce cases? Why that we have so many single mothers? Why not put it already November just like that? Some arguing. Not much more testing. Oh, yes, I'm arguing. Oh, somebody's over there. Oh, wow, I was so what I've got is you. I remember this one. Me too, I was a member of this SU. But let me be serious here to appreciate what the Lord has done for all of us during the time of COVID and beyond. The graces and mercies bestowed on us. We are all sinners, but the Lord has been very gracious to us. Let's put our hands together for God. Whether you are Christian or who are you, I also want to organization and this program. Any program on women, if you invite me, whatever I'm doing, I'll come. Yeah. God has used me to change lives of so many other women. And that has given me the blessing and counting. As I speak, I started with only one orphanage, and now I have 3 orphanages that I'm supporting. Moses Village and Kumasi Children's Home. Also started with only 6 women at Prince of Peace Methodist Church, Tabora. And now we have about 350 women. If you want God to bless you, think about that. So the philosophy, my philosophy in life, is taking care of others, and God will take care of you. And that's Prophet Fee said,